Want to turn a simple click into a powerful email campaign, all without spending a dime? Let's dive into how you can trigger an email sequence the moment someone clicks a link using Zapier's free plan. First, head over to Zapier and create a free account. If you don't have one already, then hit that Create Zap button to start building your automation. Now, for the trigger, search for Webhook. This Zwo will listen for that link. Click Select Catch Hook as your trigger event, which allows Zapier to receive data when someone clicks your link. Zapier will then generate a unique Webhook URL. Copy this URL, as you'll need to embed it behind your link. Next, embed that URL behind the link you want to track, whether it's in an email, on a web page, or within a document. Many email marketing platforms and website builders allow you to insert a URL when creating a hyperlink. Back in Zapier, choose your action upon this case, Email by Zapier. This will use Zapier's built-in email service. Select Send Email as your action event. Now, customize your email. In the to, subject, and body fields, enter the recipient's email, your subject line, and the email content. You can even use data from the Webhook Trigger to personalize the email, like adding the date and time of the click. Review your Zap, give it a descriptive name, and then toggle it on to activate. And that's it. Now, every time someone clicks that link, your Zap will spring into action, sending out that email immediately. Keep in mind that Zapier's free plan has limitations on the number of Zaps and tasks, but this simple automation is a great way to get started with free automation.